Welcome to the 2019 Acme Oyster Eating World Championship! Six, 5, 4, 3, 2, begin eating! And we're off. It's an 8-minute oyster eating contest. They got a dozen in each tray. Ladies and gentlemen, 1 minute, 20 seconds remain. Come on, Oyster Festival! Count with me backwards, ladies and gentlemen. 3, 2, 1, stop eating! Stop eating! A personal best of 44 dozens! He crushed it! Thank you, Acme Oyster House. Thank you, New Orleans Oyster Festival. I'm Rich Shea from Major League Eating. Stick around all day, have fun.